Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Arda Wijaya. I'm from PGRI Ronggolawe Tuban University. On this occasion, I will present the results of research with the title Utilizing Quizzes as Media to Improve Motivation to Learn Mathematics. Introduction. The success of every human activity, including learning activities, is strongly influenced by motivation. It is believed that high student learning motivation can have a positive impact on learning process and outcomes. Conversely, a lack of motivation will reduce enthusiasm for learning and have an indirect negative impact on learning outcomes. Kamaluddin, 2017. Motivation is an encouragement or reason that stimulates enthusiasm in doing something, works or goals in one life. Febrianti, Widayat and Kadar, 2020. Based on interview conducted by researchers with mathematics teacher and class 11 student at Vocational High School Taruna Jaya Prawira Tuban, information was obtained that there were still many students who had low motivation to learn mathematics. The low motivation to learn can be seen from the lack of enthusiasm of students in participating in the learning process. One of the ways to deal with low motivation to learn mathematics is by using interesting media in learning. Interesting learning media can be realized by utilizing games as media. Quizzes is a game that can be used as a medium in learning, in line with Pertiwi 2021. Quizzes can be used as an educational game that can increase student motivation to learn mathematics. Quizzes itself is a game application that is narrative and flexible, besides being able to be used to convey material. Quizzes can also be used as an interesting and fun learning assessment medium. Salsabila, Habibah Amanah Istiqomah, and Divani, 2020. Through quizzes, it is hoped the student motivation to learn mathematics can increase. Based on the description above, the researchers intend to conduct research with the aim of knowing the increase in student motivation to learn mathematics by using quizzes as a medium for learning mathematics. This type of research is a descriptive research with a quantitative approach. The research subjects were 35 students of Class 11 Computer Network Engineering 2, Vocational High School Taruna Jaya Prawira Tuban. The instrument in this study consisted of a learning implementation plan, media quizzes, and questionnaires. Questionnaires in this study were given to students before and after learning mathematics took place. The data analysis technique used is a quantitative descriptive data analysis technique with the following formula. P equals sin F division slash N times sin 100%. Information: P is percentage of motivation to learn mathematics. F is score obtained. N is maximum score. Then determine the criteria for the percentage of student motivation to learn mathematics. The table below is used. Table 1. Criteria for student motivation to learn mathematics. 0% until 20%. Criteria is very weak. 21 until 40%. Criteria is weak. 41 until 60%. Criteria is null. 61 until 80%. Criteria is strong. 81 until 100%. Criteria is very strong. The results that have been obtained from the analysis before and after learning using Quizzes media are then accumulated and averaged based on the number of indicators of student motivation to learn mathematics as follows. 1. Intrinsic orientation goal. 2. Extrinsic orientation goal. 3. Task value. 4. Belief control for learning. 5. Confidence. And 6. Anxiety during test. Vendianto 2020. Then the results before the and after learning are compared using Quizzes media to find out the increase in motivation. Result and discussion. The results of this study include the results before and after implementing mathematics learning using Quizzes media. The following is the results of data on student motivation to learn mathematics before using Quizzes media in learning mathematics. Table 2. Data on learning motivation before using Quizzes. Indicator intrinsic orientation goal. Average percentage 67%. Indicator extrinsic orientation goal. Average percentage is 65%. Indicator task value. Average percentage is 69%. Indicator belief control for learning. Average percentage is 61%. Indicator confidence. Average percentage is 56%. Indicator anxiety during test. Average percentage is 57%. Average accumulation is 62.5%. Based on Table 2 of the motivational data above, the average percentage of student learning motivation in learning mathematics in the intrinsic orientation goal indicator is 67%. In the extrinsic orientation goal indicator is 65%. In the tax value indicator is 69%. In the control indicator, the belief for learning is 61%. The confidence indicator is 56%. The NCT indicator during the test is 57%. For the results of the average accumulation of student motivation learning mathematics based on SIG indicator of learning motivation is 62.5%. Furthermore, it shows data on student learning motivation in learning mathematics after using quizzes media. Table 3. Data on learning motivation after using quizzes. Indicator. Intrinsic orientation goal average percentage is 84%. Criteria is very strong. Indicator extrinsic orientation goal average percentage is 80%. Criteria is strong. Indicator tax value average percentage is 82%. Criteria is very strong. Indicator belief control for learning average percentage is 78%. Criteria is strong. Indicator confidence average percentage is 73%. Criteria is strong. Indicator NCT during test average percentage is 71%. Criteria is strong. Average accumulation 78%. Criteria is strong. Based on table 3 of the motivational data above, the average percentage of student learning motivation in learning mathematics in the intrinsic orientation goal indicator is 84%. In the extrinsic orientation objective indicator is 80%. In the tax value indicator is 82%. In the control indicator, the belief for learning is 78%. The confidence indicator is 73%. The NCT indicator during the test is 71%. For the results of the average accumulation of student learning motivation in learning mathematics based on SIG indicator of learning motivation is 78%. From the comparison of the average accumulation between the motivation to learn mathematics before and after using quizzes, there is an increase in student motivation of 15.5%. When compared to each indicator, there is an increase in the objective indicator of intrinsic orientation by 17%. The indicator of extrinsic orientation goal is 15%. The tax value indicator is 13%. The control indicator of belief for learning is 17%. The indicator of self-confidence is 17%. The indicator NCT during the test is 14%. Conclusion and suggestion. Based on the description of the results and discussion, it can be concluded that the use of quizzes media can increase student motivation to learn mathematics. Student motivation increased by 15.5% when viewed from the average accumulation ratio. If seen from the comparison, Earth's indicator increased by 17% on the indicator of intrinsic orientation goal, 15 on the indicator of extrinsic orientation goal, 13 on the task value indicator, 17 on the control indicator of belief for learning, 17 on the indicator of self-confidence, and 14 on NCT indicator during the test. Based the conclusion above, the researchers can suggest considering the use of quizzes media in learning mathematics so that student learning motivation in learning mathematics can be further increased so that it will indirectly have an impact on the result and achievement of student learning mathematics. Thank you very much for your attention and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.